As I continue walking towards the Hudson, I guess I'll explain what's going to go on from here on out with the Freedom Tower, One World Trade Center, and 4 World Trade Center. Now that the towers are externally completed, again with the exception of the construction elevators, the only thing that's going to go on now is internal operations. Work is going to be done on the walls, office walls, electrical wiring, water systems, HVAC, air conditioning, and basically just all the internal stuff will be completed hopefully by the end of the year. Again, it's air conditioning, heat, water systems, electrical wiring, wall construction, elevators, escalators. And once that's complete, the towers will be open. Alright, this is the Liberty State Park World Trade Center Memorial. I haven't been here yet, but this is just another steel memorial. So this is just another steel memorial here, and just more dedication. So yeah, this is the Liberty State Park Memorial. And again, One World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower. And 4 World Trade Center. That's the memorial. And here is 1 and 4 World Trade Center. Today is May 31st, 2013. And here it is, sunset. There's a flashing light up there, beacon. There's the communications rings. They're really starting to fill in. And the antenna spire. Once all that temporary stuff is brought down, the glass will be continued to be filled in. And the antenna will actually look taller once all the temporary staircases are removed. If you look there, you see the staircases with the blue and the yellow posts. Those are temporary staircases and will eventually be removed. But the other ones with the full railings around them are permanent staircases. Those are going to stay. Like right there you see a temporary staircase underneath a permanent one. And right here there are two temporary staircases sandwiched between two permanent ones. The two in the middle will be removed eventually. Alright, so this is as far as I'm going to go, but I'm going to wait for nightfall to show you how it looks at night with the beacon at the top with the antenna spire. You can already see the lights starting to light up, but as soon as night settles in, I'm going to start near the New York Waterway docks, then work my way back to Hoboken Terminal. You can see there's a flashing beacon up there right now, but I think it turns red once night settles in, so we'll see about that. You can see the lights in Tower 4, and when night settles in, they'll be completely lit up. These are just amazing skyscrapers. Again, today is May 31st, 2013. Alright, so that's going to be the end of the daytime quick look. Now I'm going to wait for nightfall, as I said earlier, and show you how it looks at night with the external glass completed. Again, this is the Liberty State Park Memorial, and yep, here is the Freedom Tower and Tower 4 World Trade Center. They look amazing. Alright, I'll see you back here in about an hour and a half as soon as night settles in. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy.